A Pakistani expert said that the so-called Chinese debt trap rhetoric is nothing but a lie cooked up by the US and some other Western countries.
Western propaganda against China. So they're trying to spread lies at mass scale. They're structuring the lies in a beautiful way. They are explaining it excellent way, and their communication methods are very aggressive. So that's why the people across the world they are targeting, they started to talk about the debt trap. But in reality, the facts are different.
Studies show developing countries mainly borrow from commercial and multilateral lenders. According to the World Bank's international debt statistics, by the end of 2020, commercial and multilateral creditors accounted for 40% and 34% respectively for the public external debt of 82 low-income and lower middle-income countries. Earlier this year, the UK charity Debt Justice published a report citing data from the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and other institutions, claiming that African governments owe 3 times more debt to Western private lenders than to China, and are charged double the interest. Romay said that the cooperation between China and other countries is mainly conducted in the form of investment, and by that, China has been contributing to the development of the local economies.
Majority of the Chinese cooperation lies in the framework of investment. When something is not a debt, how it can be a debt trap? So the majority of cooperation is in the form of investment. Chinese companies are going in different countries. They are investing in their infrastructure. They are investing in their industry and services sectors. So investment which is not a debt, how it can be a debt trap? Second, the debt part of that cooperation. That is a productive debt. It means either it's increasing the productivity of industry of that country, or it's expanding the size of economy of that country. A productive debt can never be a debt trap. Productive means they are contributing toward enhance the productivity of that country. They are expanding the size of their economy. So they're contributing.